Hi Kat, thanks for letting me work on your machine. This is a beautiful old Singer SlantOMatic 403A made in 1958. It's still in amazing shape. I can tell it's been cared for. First thing I did after testing the stitches out was to get up in the bobbin area and start removing the lint from that area. And then I came back later and oiled all of that. There was a little tension issue on the bobbin, and I ended up loosening up the bobbin tension just the tiniest little bit. I opened up the side of the machine where the needle is and cleaned and oiled everything there. And then here we are with the top of the machine off, and I'm just greasing the gears. There was a lot of old grease, especially on this gear that I spent some time cleaning off on and around that one, and then added new grease. And there were two gear areas up top to add grease to, and then I added oil to all the other bits up top, and always cranking the hand wheel towards me instead of away. On these old machines, that's important to just go one direction. Okay, and then at the bottom of the machine, there was a lot of lint that had collected in the bottom basin when I took that off. But other than that, it was in pretty good shape. There were a few gears to clean and put grease on, and then oiling all the little moving parts down there. So I got that done, cleaned that out, and then put it all back together and tested out the stitches.